So in the previous video we have started the prove that about irrational numbers and we learned the theorem 1.4 in which we have proved that root 2 is irrational number. Okay, so in this video we are going to start with example number 9 in which we are having prove that root 3 is irrational. So from using the theorem we have to assume the contrary, that let us assume to the contrary that root 3 is irrational. Okay, so we are having integers a and b, so therefore we can have a and b integers such that root 3 is equals to a divided by b. Okay, and a and b are having no common factors, no common factor between them, so we can say that a and b are co-primes. Okay, so from this we can represent root 3 into b is equals to a. Yes, now squaring on both sides, and rearranging, we get 3b square is equals to a square. Okay, 3b square is equals to a square. So therefore by theorem number 3, therefore by theorem 1.3, therefore a square is divisible by 3. Yes, ये वाला रूल हम पढ़ चुके हैं that 3b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू ए स्क्वायर है, तो ये इस तरफ चला जाएगा तो b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा, ए स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाई 3. देयरफॉर ए स्क्वायर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. सो एंड बाय थियरम 1.3 a is also divisible by 3. Yes, क्योंकि हमने वो 1.3 में पढ़ा था. सो देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट a इज इक्वल्स टू 3c. a इज इक्वल्स टू हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 3c. अभी a का जो ये वैल्यू है 3c, उसको हम क्या रखेंगे इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में. पुट a इज इक्वल्स टू 3c इन इक्वेशन 1. सो वी आर हैविंग 3b square is equals to 3c whole square. Yes, 3b. Okay, so ये क्या हो जाएगा, 3b square is equals to 9c square, which gives b square is equals to 3c square. So we can say, यहाँ पे देखो b is also divisible by 3. b square is divisible by 3. Therefore by theorem 1.3 b is also divisible by 3. But as we said that a and b are the co-primes, यहाँ पे कोई भी common factor नहीं होना चाहिए, but we are having 3 as a common factor. So therefore A and B have A and B have as at least 3 as a common factor, 3 as a common factor, which contradict our assumption that it is a rational number. So therefore root 3 is a rational number. Okay, now move on to next, which is example number 10, in which we are having show that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Okay, so first of all let us assume that five minus root 3 is rational. Okay, so we can find co-prime, we can find co-prime A and B such that 5 minus root 3 is equals to A by B. मतलब हम उसको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. Okay, so therefore we can say that 5 minus AB is equals to root 3. Okay, now rearranging the equation, we are having rearranging the equation, root 3 is equals to 5 minus A divide by B. तो यहाँ पे हम LCM ले लेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? 5B minus A divide by B. Okay, since A and B are integers, we get 5 minus AB is rational, and so root 3 is also rational. But this contradicts the fact, अगर ये A and B are the integers, A and B are integers. Okay, so ये जो term है, that is 5 minus A divide by B, or you can say 5B minus A minus B, 5B minus A divide by B, ये क्या हो जाएगा? Is a rational number, is a rational number. So ये किसके साथ कंपेयर में हो रहा है? किसके साथ? रूट 3 के साथ कंपेरिजन में जा रहा है. So therefore root 3 is also rational, but we prove that, which contradicts our proof, कि अभी हमने प्रूव किया कि root 3 is the irrational number, which contradicts, but it contradicts the fact that root 3 is irrational. Therefore, this contradiction arises because of our incorrect assumption. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption, which is that 5 minus root 3 is rational. Therefore 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Okay, now move on to next, which is example number 11, in which we are having show that 3 into root 2 is irrational. Okay, so let us assume the contradiction. So let us assume, सब में यही चीज़ करनी है हर बार. Let us assume to the contrary that 3 root 2 is rational. That is we can find co-prime A and B integers A and B such that 3 root 2 is equals to A divided by B. Okay, so therefore we are having 3, or you can say root 2 is equals to A divided by 3B. Now this particular equation is a rational since 3A and B are integers. So A upon 3B is a rational number. Yes, ये rational number हो जाएगा. So root 2 is also a rational number क्योंकि इन दोनों को हमने कंपेयर किया है और बीच में इक्वल का साइन है. So obviously, so therefore root 2 is also a rational number. But we prove in theorem 1.4. But this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. So we conclude that 3 root 2 is irrational. ओके, सो क्या करना है सब में यही चीज़ करना है. वी हैव टू सपोज द कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन और उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम उसको क्या करेंगे, प्रूव करेंगे. ओके, सो विच इज़ क्वाइट ईजी. अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो इसके आप डायरेक्टली ये 2 और 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है. हर बार ये इसमें से कोई एक क्वेश्चन आता है बोर्ड में. तो आप अगर इसको सिर्फ एक मेथड आपका याद रह गया है तो आपको ये इजीली आप अपने आप से सॉल्व कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट विच इज़ exercise 1.3. This is one of the most time question, that is prove that root 5 is irrational. ये काफ़ी बार एग्जाम में देखा जा चुका है. ओके, विच इज़ बेस्ड ऑन रूट 2 एंड रूट 3. ओके, रूट 2 और रूट 3 जैसे हमने प्रूव किया था वैसे इसको प्रूव करना है. सो लेट अस अज्यूम root 5 is rational number. Okay, so therefore we can find A and B where B is not equals to 0 such that root 5 is equals to A divided by B. Okay, and A and B are the co-primes. ये स्टेटमेंट आपको हर बार लिखना ही है क्योंकि को-प्राइम की वजह से ही हम उसको अच्छे से प्रूव कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज B root 5 equals to A. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we are having B square 5B square is equals to A square. Okay, so therefore A square is divisible by A square divisible by 5. Therefore by theorem 1.3 A is also divisible by 5. So we can represent 5 as a let a इज इक्वल्स टू 5c। यस, कोई भी एक मल्टीपल, जैसे मैंने बताया था 15 है तो 5 इंटू 3, सो c का वैल्यू क्या होगा, इस जो a का वैल्यू है उस अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होता रहेगा, ठीक है। a इक्वल्स टू 5c, so put this particular value in this, so we are having 5b square is equals to 5c whole square, so 5b square is equals to 25c square, therefore b square is equals to 5c square, therefore b square is divisible by by 5, therefore by theorem b is also divisible by 5, so therefore this implies that a and b has 5 as a common factor, which contradict our supposition that a and b are the co-primes. Okay, so this contradict our fact or to the fact that a and b are co-prime, therefore our assumption is wrong, therefore our assumption is incorrect, which implies root 5 is irrational. Okay, so we will just stop here in this video. In the next video we are going to continue exercise 1.3. Till then, thank you.